until probably about 5 o'clock, maybe 4 o'clock.
Okay.
If you look to your left, you can see our Chilean flamingos. There should be 9 of those. I'm kind of surprised they aren't laying eggs inside that green enclosure. And our 2 American white pelicans that injured their wings in the wild, Willie and Ethel. You don't know if they do fly through.
Really?
They spend about 2 weeks in Lake Decatur every spring and then return in the fall. Bunches of about 50 or 75 of them. If everyone is ready?
Yeah!
Yeah!
All aboard! Come on. Whoa. Here we go. Yeah.
And we are off, ladies and gentlemen.
Are we taking up on the train? Ah! I know! Yay! Oh.
The first area on your right is new to the zoo last year. That's our howler monkeys. Pico, the black male, and he's the golden female. Howler monkeys are unique.
No, last year on the
Probably the loudest animal on earth. They call one another, they sound like an African lion roaring. Only louder. Howler monkeys are golden until they reach 5 years old. At that time, the males turn black and the females stay golden. To the right there was our spider monkeys, Willie and Ethel. Why do they call them spider monkeys?
wow, he said.
Yeah,
They
this
call them
one.
spider monkeys because when they spread their arms, legs, and that long tail, they look like a spider. In fact, in climbing, they use that tail as much as they do their arms and legs. We go down this hill, the first area to your left.
Look at all the shiny rhinos.
Cheetahs you'll see today are going to see it. They don't particularly like we have a third cheetah.
Plant.
Party. He likes humans. He doesn't particularly like these two. Oh, there's the
Cheetahs! Did you get the
area
cheetahs?
on your right is our back-tip camel. The back-tip camel they're about 500 pounds larger than the single hump dromedary camel.
Nope.
The largest camel there is named Mona Kashi.
Y'all just got juked.
Over 2,000 pounds.
Smells good down
About
here.
the same as the Clydesdale. The other camel we got from the Cincinnati Zoo, where he was during a blizzard, we got the name of Jack Frost.
Wow.
He's gonna go through a tunnel.
And if you look to your left, you will see the dead carcass of a train.
Hi, trains. Hello. Hi. You're not live, are you?
No. No, they're just recording.
I get you too.
Stay outside when it's 20 degrees below zero. They lost all that fur.
You can only say yay when you see it. Then you have to actually see it.
Flew at the zoo, you can see it. Cheetahs are the fastest animal on earth.
Goodbye.
Most of cheeses and the fact that animals are endangered species. That means there's fewer and fewer than the wild every year. In fact, a portion of all your ticket sales goes towards transferring cheese. Running around with long tail feathers. They are male. Females are shorter tail feathers. Probably got some cheek feathers. Males lose those long tail feathers every fall. That's when they grow back again in the spring. They only have one month of the right now, a white Arctic wolf. Chili.
Hi, pelicans! Flamingos!
Wait.
Yeah.
All done.
Wow. Stop. So we get out.
No.